Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, we will start our lesson number 5 for grade 2 social technology book. And our topic is our earth. You have to open your page number 47. Okay, before starting our reading session, I will tell you some important facts about our earth. Earth is a planet where we all live, okay? You can see in this picture there it is a round shape of earth, but the real shape of earth is not exactly round. It's a little bit uh, pressed from the center point. You can see an orange. It is exactly the shape of an orange, so it is not exact round. We listen that earth is a round in shape. No, it's elliptical. What's the shape of earth? It's elliptical. Okay, the next thing is it is covered with land and water. Okay, the blue section you can see is all the water area. These waters are called ocean. Okay, and the green section is covered with land. These land areas are called continents. There are so many land features on earth, for example mountains, plains, plateaus, glaciers. You have seen all these when you go for some hill station areas, okay, or you will go in plain areas. You can see the rivers, you can also see the waterfalls, okay. All these are physical features which are present on earth's surface. Now let's start our reading session. Open your page number 47 of your book. Okay, let's start. The Earth is a planet that is part of the solar system. It revolves around the sun. The Earth is elliptical in shape. Okay, these are the general things about the Earth, that it is a planet. First of all, it is a planet which is a part of solar system. Okay, and it revolves around the sun. Okay, the Earth is elliptical in shape, as I told you. The next is the Earth is made up of land and water. About two-thirds of the Earth's surface is covered with water. Two-third, okay, two-third surface is only water, that are oceans, okay. The next is land is divided into huge sections called continents, and the land area is divided into huge sections, okay, and these sections are known as continents. How many continents do we have? We have 7 continents, okay. We will discuss briefly it in our further lecture. Air is present on earth, okay, which we breathe, okay. We breathe oxygen. It is present in air. Okay, the next is the earth has different terrains. Those terrains include hills, mountains, rivers, forests, seas, and plains. What are terrains? Terrains are the physical features which are present on the surface of earth. For example, hills, mountains, rivers, forests, seas, and plains. The rivers come from the mountains and fall into the seas. Ice is also present on earth. Okay. Next, the earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. Those life forms include people, animals, birds, and insects. There is no other life in all the other planets of the solar system. Okay, only Earth has the life. Why? Because of the water and because of the oxygen. The Earth is our home, and it is our responsibility to take care of it. Okay, we do not mess around the world, so that our Earth should be safe. Okay, on the next page, page number 48, there is an activity exercise for you. You have to collect the facts about the earth. Okay, you have to solve these by your own. We have studied the whole chapter. Okay, there is another activity on the next page. There are pictures. Okay, these pictures are of all the parts of solar system. The first one is sun is the center of the solar system, which provides energy, heat to all the solar system, and all the planets revolves around the sun. Okay, all the other pictures are of planets. The first one is Mercury, second one is Venus, Earth, Moon, Mars, asteroid belt, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Okay, the most important thing, Moon is not a planet. Okay, it's a satellite of Earth. It revolves around the Earth. Okay, and asteroid belt is also not planets. ठीक है, these are the belts between the planets, around the planets. Okay, these are small particles of cosmic things. Okay, the last one, Pluto, is also not a planet now. It's very small, so that's why the scientists say that this is not a part of solar system. This is not a proper planet, it's a star type thing. Okay, so the planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, you have to memorize the spellings of these things which we study in solar system. Okay, if there is any problem, you can contact us on Facebook or school number. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.